Okay, this is 936 Somerset Drive. You do have a corner lot. There's a step down over here. Not a step down, but a wall, basically. Down to the sidewalk. Okay. There's your neighborhood. Corner lot. I don't think you're gonna have a place to park your RV here. Two-car garage, but there's probably not enough space here. Maybe enough space, but probably not. Depends on how big your RV is. Okay, so we come in, kitchen is right here to the left with a laundry room right here. Like there's the dryer at least, or is that the washer? I guess that's the washing machine. No dryer there. There's your kitchen. They are expecting, she may already have it in hand, an offer today. But when I called, they didn't have any yet. So here's your living room space. Backyard, I'll take you back there. Got a little bit of a mountain view from the backyard. That's kind of nice. If you zoom in on that, you can see. There you go. Here is where they have their master bedroom. Door for access to the outside right there. Walk-in closet. And here's your bathroom. No tub in here. More designed for handicap maybe. Another door to the outside here off of the kitchen. Nice flagstone walkway. Takes you right back around to those table and chairs and everything that I was at before. Again, there's your neighborhood. I'm gonna close this door so nobody sneaks in on me. Furnace room, or closet, I guess. On this side you have just a little coat closet or utility closet. It's stuck. Does not close easily. All right. bedroom here. They've got some kiddos in here, it looks like. There you go. And there is a small closet right around the corner here. Okay, bathroom on this side. There's a tub in this one. And then across the way is the garage. 2-car. This one seems quite a bit smaller than the one you looked at before. I don't think it's as deep, so I'm pretty sure your truck's not going to fit in here. There's the hot water heater. Bedroom number 3. Flooring looks a little bit rough. You can see that. It's got some water damage or something. Probably want to replace that at some point. Looks pretty rough throughout. There's another closet area. No closet doors on that closet. And that that is the tour. There's a linen closet there. I didn't see anything that really jumped out at me besides that floor. Everything else looks pretty nice. You know, there's some things that are a little dated. The cabinetry is a little dated. But other than that, it's pretty nice. So I'm going to go ahead and go off of here. And if you have questions, let me know. Talk to you later. Bye. Oh, and I would guess you could get a stackable washer and dryer for this room instead of just having the washer. But I don't see a dryer vent. Oh, there we go. There's the dryer outlet back there. There's probably a vent behind the washing machine or something. I don't see it, but that doesn't mean it's not here. Interesting. Yeah, I don't see a dryer vent. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.